2 plus 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 2 equals 20. 2 times 10 equals 20. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. Join at DanLabCraft for amazing homeschooling activities. If you are a school or a homeschooling parent, get your own educational programs, curricula, and video classes. To learn with Dan, go to the DanLabCraft channel below, click on Playlists and choose a topic. Click Play All.